having that kind of mentality. All right. If you're having the mentality, okay, let me reintroduce myself for this recording now. Ezekiel is my name. I've been a banker for about 10 years, and I'm still consulting for Exim Bank on foreign trades. So on Akash Academy, if you're on Akash Academy, please have the right mindset. The mindset is not Ponzi. You're here to learn to earn, and you're here to earn from the financial markets. It's the business of the bank, the big corporations, the billionaires. The Einstein of Wall Street was saying yesterday that, or Peter, somebody, he was saying yesterday that why so many of the retail traders were not in the financial markets, foreign exchange in particular, then was because there is a certain balance sheet you must maintain before you can play in this space. You know, I've been asking the question, why is this, training not in a traditional school curriculum? Now and then I got the explanation from that old papa who had been there for 4 decades. That's crazy. He's been there for 4 decades. It's a lot. And he give an explanation that you must have a certain balance sheet before you come into this sphere. And because of that, it's those billionaires, corporations, institutions, businessmen, and all that are playing there because of those checks. But now retail traders has come in. Nobody tends to know how much is your balance sheet before you can come into the financial market. And then we know whether you can, you'll be able to cope with what's up, your learning phase and then your profit phase and stuff like that. You don't know my balance sheet. I don't know yours. All right. So, but you're here. That's what matters. So are you treating this academy like it's a skill set you need to acquire for the financial market so that you can win? I pass that question to you. All right. If you're treating it that way, put AAA on the chat box. If you're treating it that way, I have the mindset that is a skill set for the financial market that you are exposed to here to help you to win on the financial market. Are you treating it that way? If it is that way, put AAA. And if it is not that way, you're coming here because you are here. You want to earn every day, like as if it's Ponzi. You can put PPP on the box. Let's see. All right. I'm seeing AAA, meaning everyone is treating it as if it's an academy where they want to get a skill set to profit on the financial market. Perfect. So if that's the case, I'm going to share my screen right away, and let's embrace the tools. There are tools on the AkashX Academy that you must embrace. And these tools, one of the key tools is the scanner. Other tools are there, like and other resource persons, like the likes of the expert educator. They are all there to help us to win. Okay. But the one we hold ourselves to help ourselves to win is the scanner. And the scanner simplifies it. Like I told us about Peter, the Wall Street Einstein I was listening to yesterday. He has evolved from trading manually to trading electronically and leveraging technology to trade. If the old schools understands the importance of technology, and those that could not evolve in the set, they've gone into extinction. They don't trade anymore. And they are not still in the limelight and making money like he's making, even though he's very old. He's over 8 years. Okay. So you have the tools that makes it simple so that you don't crack your head like they were cracking their head in those days. So why not leverage the tools? One of the tools is Smartcash.
Okay, sorry, Ezekiel, before you go on, let me quickly ask because this is a week class and a real interaction we are doing now. And you know one thing about life, if you can lie to others, but you can't lie to yourself. How many of us went through this Smartcash scanner? How many of us went through, even if it's just one of the videos you watched? If you went through it, I want you to type yes in the chat box. If you went through that course, put yes in the chat box. Yes, Dr. Inconsala here. If you went through the course, we are 43 here. Sunday, essay, Luke, Kenny, 43 years, he went through that course, because it's only when you make an effort. The beautiful thing about us having this class together is the fact that you can feel responsible. Because that's even me. Even though I was very busy yesterday, when I got home, I made sure that when I woke up very early, 4 a.m., I normally go for my workout, but I didn't go for workout because I see it as a responsibility. I see it as a commitment, because now there's a commitment that we are working as a group, and I don't want to draw anybody back, so that when they are teaching that particular topic, I will be able to understand better. And it's only when you have gone through the course. So thumb up to everybody that have gone through it. Please, let's try. It's for our own good. We are doing 90 days challenge. And when Ezekiel came up that told me that, no, 90 days challenge should not be on only affiliate marketing. No, 90 days challenge should also be 90 days challenge should also be on trading. So it means that in 3 months' time, even though you're good at your affiliate marketing, you're making more money. You're also good with your trading, you're making more money. So in the next 90 days, we don't want to be the same person. So yesterday we started that one on trading, main, so that we can work together as a team. And this is what it is about. So Ezekiel, thank you.
Yes,
You can go ahead.
thank you, ma'am. All right, thank you very much, Dr. Love. At least she has sounded that reminder again for us to take the business to the next level. When I say the business, it's the business of learning too. All right. You know, we shared yesterday with Dr. Love, and I'm like, it's sweet when you know these tools and you're using them and you're making profit. You know, when you profit, the excitement of making profit makes you market easily. Honestly, you know, about 2 weeks ago, within 7 days, I just kind of faced these things very seriously. And I saw myself building an account of $160 to $2,600 in 7 days. 7 days. You know, that blew my mind. It makes marketing easy when you're able to trade and you're making your own profit. And what I post on my status, whether it's my own account or it's my demo account, I make sure I make fresh profit so that you can hold me accountable for the date I'm posting. And I send it on my status, you see the date I make that profit. I'm excited to market because I am using the tools to learn, to profit. All right, so the tools once again is Smartcash scanner. There are other scanner here, but for today Smartcash scanner. Then maybe for this week Smartcash scanner, because we have just 2 more days. Then next week we look at another scanner. So you can get your demo account and let's see what magic this Smartcash scanner can do. It's a tool. Tool makes your work easy. If you should spend 1 hour analyzing or 2 hours analyzing, and there is a tool that makes you analyze and enter the market in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, isn't that better? Time is money. So use the remaining of the time to either go do real estate or do another business and make sure you are compounding money from all angles. That's what really matters, actually. So let's see Smartcash scanner. And then this Smartcash scanner, first thing first, note this. Make sure you are familiar with your pairs. All right, this is on planning now. You know the pair you want to trade, and that is what you're looking for on the Smartcash scanner. Don't get yourself entangled with all the asset pair. There are plenty. All right, so what do you want to trade? Commodity, that's XAU USD gold. So go to filter, filter that out first. All right, go for the star. All right, the rating, I call this rating. Pick 2-star, 3-star, because when it is 2-star, 3-star, it is a strong call. A strong call, either a buy or a sell, is a strong one. And what do you want to trade? I want commodity. And if you are on currency pair, choose Forex. All right, if you're on crypto, choose crypto. If you're on stock, choose stocks. If you're on indices, go for it. So I want to trade gold. So I click on commodities and I say apply. You get that? And he has narrowed down my search. My problem is not much anymore. So I only have the commodity, silver, gold, oil, and platinum. Finish. Those are the four I'm particular about. But even out of these four, my attention is on gold and gold alone for this week. All right. And even for the month, I'm still really digging down on gold. And come to search that asset pair right here too on your left-hand side. That's what you do on your right-hand side. Do the settings of the ratings and filter it to gold. That's the first thing I said there. Then search the assets pair here, SAUUSD. Okay. So, Madam Bridget, I see you on the call. Please pay attention to this. This is like my gift to you so that we know you've done this part. So I've selected that and see what we have, gold. Okay. So you have two key time frames on the scanner. We have 5 minutes. If you're on 5 minutes, right here on the chart, be on the 5 minutes on, on the call pane. These call sections be there. And if you're on 15 minutes on the chart, be on 15 minutes right here and see what is going on. All right. If you're on 1 hour, be on 1 hour. All right. And of course, this chart basically is very good on 15 minutes and 5 minutes short time frame. It's good on 1 hour too. All right. But for scalping in a way, look for the 20 pips. It's okay. Don't try to look for 30 pips here. All right. 20 pips is okay. 10, 20 pips is okay with this. And 10, 20 pips consistently, like 2-3 times a day. It's okay. It will give you your 1% profit. All right. We've talked on this channel about RST. RST, risk, secure, and target. Maybe we'll repeat that some other day so I can be fast. So if you can target 1% daily, it's okay. I know a lot of us are targeting more than 1% daily because we want much money. I want much money, too much money too. So we've we filtered commodity and the rating on the right, and on the chart, we've selected our asset pair. So what do you look for next? You have to be sure that the pair you're looking at is called, let me go to 5 minutes. The pair you're looking for is called, and where is it? Is gold. Gold is called, and gold is called like 30 minutes ago. All right. So for 30 minutes ago, I may not want to enter this. All right, because it's 30 minutes ago. So if we were here like 9:30, we would have enjoyed this one that's gold called. It called for a sell. And the sell it called for beautiful sell, 3 points, 3 points on rating, star, 1, 2, 3 star. Perfect. Because we filter it, it makes it easy. We are not scrolling up and down. Before I was doing that scrolling up and down until I embrace filter. Then the score is 3-point score. So if you want to write down, what you should look out for is a rating 2 star, 2 score, 3 star, 3 score, or 2 star, 3 score, or what's it now? 3 star, 2 score. Watch out for those. I've said about 4 things there. So if they are okay like that, either 2 or 3 is fine. But if it's 2 against 1, it's not a good call. It's not strong enough.
Repeat your call, those 4 things.
Say again, ma'am.
I said, please repeat those 4 things again. Let people get it well.
All right. What I'm saying to summarize that part is the score and the rating must not be below 2 star, 2 score. So it can be 2 star, 2 score, 3 star, 3 score, 2 star, 3 score, or 3 score, 2 star. Perfect. It's okay, but it must not be below 2 score, 2 star. If it's below that, it is not strong signal. And when it's not strong signal, don't go and trouble yourself. It will dribble you too much. So that's on the part of the the call, if it is called, you must ensure it's called first before you even come to the chart. If it's not called, don't bother about the chart. Go and read, go and listen to, watch Rich Van de Gaar, enter the class, go to replay. Don't bother yourself, all right, if it is not called. Until it is called, then you can now come to the chart. Then the chart too must call 2 points buy or 2 points sell. 3 points buy or 3 points sell, then you're good to enter. If it is 1 point, don't bother. Go do other things. Go to the class. Go for replay. Right? Too many courses that we've missed based on maybe our activities. So come to the chart. Make sure it's 2 points sell or 2 points buy. And when that is satisfied, don't enter yet. Check out the indicator, the EMAs and the Ichimoku. That's the cloud. Check them out before you can decide to enter. And then let's go for the Ichimoku. So can you see the cloud? Can we all see the cloud behind? All right, if you can see the cloud, please give me AAA. If you can see the cloud, give me AAA. Just 2 persons, I'm good. Can you see the cloud? All right, we want it interactive. It's your feedback that makes it interactive. All right. Okay, so I've gotten 1 AAA there. So right here now, check out for the, the indicators. Then the indicators, if it is a sell, all right, as the case is right here, it's a sell. Make sure the Ichimoku cloud is above the candle. Ichimoku cloud is above the candle, and this EMA you're seeing here is above the candle. All right, this EMA, the two moving averages, they are above the candle. This one and the other one, they are both above the candle. That proves to you that you're good to go. You can sell. All right, you can sell. But then again, this strategy works on a reversal strategy. That means like a pullback or a pull-up. So just like it calls a 3 point sell here, you wait for a pullback. And the pullback has happened. Look at it here. Pullback has happened. You see, it called this red. All right. Can you see this? I need a 1, 2, 1. If you can see this, this is the point it was called for a sell. And I need 1. Somebody sent 1 there. All right. I need to be sure you're here. Oh, beautiful. Thank you, ma'am. So the sell is called right here on this candle. All right. And then you wait for a pullback. It's a reversal strategy. Then we call that reversal strategy. If you listen to the designer of this scanner, which is Joel Arias himself, he talked about it. Chairman posted that on the group yesterday. Go watch it. So it pulls back. You can see it has come to retest this zone. And having retested this zone, then it starts selling. And then you enjoy the ride. So if you have enjoyed this ride, let's see how many pips is this. Let's say we enter from here at least about 50% of this indecision candle, the spinning top here. And when we enter right here, 3384, let's just pick it from 3384, and we write it down. It's still going, it's still selling. We write it down to about 3381, 3384 to 3381. That's 30 pips. We are not even looking for 30 pips. We are just looking for 20 pips. So from 3384 to 3382, you're good. Your stop loss hits. Your TP1 hits, and you're out of the market. And then you wait for the next call. All right? You wait for the next call. Then if you have good knowledge of market structure, it would have also given you how far you think this sell is going to go. All right, but let me not go into that market structure. You can go for Rich Van Deger to talk about that, to teach you about market structure. So that can also make you, if you want to go beyond the 20 pips that is recommended for this scanner. All right, but otherwise, if you have not studied that part to enhance your knowledge, don't do beyond what is recommended. 20 pips, get it, get out. Get in, get out. Get in, get out. 20 pips, 20 pips. So the 20 pips has happened here already. So if for any reason this scanner, is not delivering anymore and you complain, no, you're not playing by the rules. Take 20 pips, rest. Take 20 pips, rest. And of course, this delivers more than 20 pips and it's fine, but it is 20 pips that is recommended. So we've noted those points now. All right.
Make sure it's 20 pips, sorry.
I really don't want to say we should go for 30 pips. Joel mentioned 20, 30 pips, 20, 30 pips.
Okay, 20
so
to 30.
Worst case scenario, actually, I did statistics. We always check out on forecast or prediction. We talked about worst case scenario. So if the designer said 20, 30, worst case scenario, take 20. Take 20, stick to 20, stick to 20. Because if you get familiar with 30, before you know, your mind will be telling you, why not try 40? And if 40 works the first day and 40 doesn't work the second day, you now feel something is bad. But if you want to go beyond 20, let it be TP1, TP2, so that when TP1 hits at 20 pips, you break even. I think that's a perfect one. You break even, so that in case it reversed or it tries to retest or something, it will hit your break even and you're out. So you secure at least one full TP and you're enjoying that. So if you're using this scanner, it's either you take just one position or you take not more than 2 positions only. One or not more than 2 positions only. And your second positions, you are looking forward to either it breaks even or it hits that TP if possible. So if it hits that TP, enjoy it. If it doesn't hit the second TP, it will definitely break even. And if that happens, you are still in profit. You are not making any losses. So trade management, we've taught that several times. I've been involved in that too. Chairman, I've taught that several times. So 2 positions max, 1 position best. All right. And then we can run with that. So that's you doing this thing on your own. But if it is chairman that is calling this trade, definitely our papa will do like 3 positions and we will enjoy it. So that's not that the knowledge is only around scanner alone. He has an advanced knowledge beyond the scanner. So you can comfortably call 3 TPs and it's a mentor calling that. But if you're on your own, 2 positions or just 1 positions and you're good to go. But don't forget your risk management. That's lot size 0.01. If you over leverage, if it does not go your way, you will not be happy. So take it easy and take it simple. So that's on the sell side. Then on the buy side, and you can see what happens here. Even the cloud turns red here because it's on the sell side right now and it turns red. And then when it was on the buy side, you can see the Ichimoku must be, let's see if we can backtest. All right, see this now. See this when the market opened. When the market opened, all right, there was a gap here, and the gap actually during the first 15 minutes thereabout, it called for a buy. It called for a buy at this point, and that buy happened. All right, that buy happened. Though we wait for a reversal, this came back. There's a reversal to this zone, right? And after the reversal, the buy actually happened and happened to up to this point. The buy happened, even went as far as this point before it started pulling back as far as 33.97. Then it now started dropping just to come and to come and retest this gap. And ever since it came to retest this gap, I think it is only one time it came back up, right, to a resistance zone, and it has gone back within this region, retesting that gap again. All right. So if you want to know more about how to trade gaps, Joel taught that 3 weeks ago on how to trade gaps. All right. But that's not the purpose here. The purpose is about the scanner. All right. So you can see it called, it reversed. That is, there's a pullback, you retest this. And then the buy happened when the market opened. The buy happened, and it continues up onto this point. And you can imagine how many pips is that. And even before the market closes, you would have taken your 20 pips from here, 33.87 to, all right, almost 33.87, up to about, let me see again, 33.87.39 up to 33.87.70. But I don't encourage anybody to trade into when the market is about closing, which is 10 a.m. Auntie Rejoice, if you're on the call, you have that experience yesterday when you were calling me. Sorry, I hope you escaped it. Don't trade until 10 p.m., sorry. At least stop your trading latest 8 p.m. And if you feel you have more muscle to trade till 9, it's okay. Don't trade till 10. Don't let the market close on you. If the market closes on you, don't know what the market will open with. All right. So this one, we are just leveraging on the fact that it was called for a buy, and the Chimoku, look at the cloud, is below. The exponential moving average was also below. So we feel good to take this trade. This is on back testing now. We feel good to take this trade. And of course, we waited for a pullback before we enter. That's the reversal strategy that is required for Smartcash scanner. I hope we got the message. So I just narrowed down to commodity. If you don't like commodity gold, then you can, it's applicable on Forex, it's applicable on indices, it's applicable on crypto. Just do your settings and then you're good to go. Please, question, if you got value, put value. If you have questions, type questions. All right, so let's go. You got value, put value. If you have questions.
Okay, thank you.
Questions. Yes, ma'am. All right, so Dr. Love, please. Thank you so much.
So I just want them to ask questions. Let them ask questions.
The floor is open. You can raise your digital hand so we know who has questions. If you want to type it, you can type it, and then we will respond as fast as we can.
Okay, so we are going to just take questions. If you have questions, okay, Bele said he has not seen exponential moving average, so you're going to show the exponential moving average.
Is the line?
If you have questions, please, if you have gone through that Smartcash scanner, you have questions. Somebody shouted me very early this morning that I don't even understand. Somebody shouted me very early this morning that he doesn't even understand what was his name was talking about, Joelarius. That in fact he didn't even understand it at all. I hope you are here, Mr. Luke, because this is time to ask your questions now. Ezekiel is here to answer your questions.
Okay.
Ask your questions. This is the time to ask. If you don't understand, we are going to be done by 11, so we still have some time before 11.
Auntie Wumi is raising her hand.
All right.
Sorry, okay, go ahead.
Okay, Auntie Wumi's hand is up.
Yes.
Others to ask your questions. Auntie Wumi, you can go ahead.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Superstar Leaders. Great morning, everyone. Okay, mine is not a question really. It's just to add a bit to what Mr. Ezekiel has said. For maybe some persons may not really know how to quickly calculate their 20 pips. So I just want to show them I just want to give a cheat code. For some persons that may be like
Okay,
struggling
ma'am.
on for some persons that may be struggling on how do I calculate my 20 pips. So you just quickly go to your trade locker. If you get your entry right and you want to get your 20 pips, go to your trade locker. On that take profit, you have your take profit value, which you may be struggling to calculate. Then you have ticks. Then you have P&L, which is your profit and loss. Then you have your percentage rate. So on that ticks, your 20 pips is the same thing as 200 ticks. So if you just put your 200, you just put 200 ticks under the tick, then you get your 20 pips correctly. And that will automatically put the right figures for you.
All right. So thank you so much, man.
That's a simple cheat code. Thank you.
No, I didn't get you. JJC like me didn't get you. Please, please explain again. I'm on my trade locker.
Okay, I said for instead of struggling to like, okay, what is my 20 pips in terms of profits? So you go to your trade locker after you have taken your entry, edit your trade as if you want to edit your take profit. So you click on it, then under ticks,
okay,
you input 200. 200 ticks, same thing as 20 pips.
Okay, so on that ticks, you put 200 on both sides, on that stop loss and take profit.
No, depending on what your take, it is. I know it's ratio 1:1.
Yes, for Jewelleria Smartcash is ratio 1:1. So is it that we're going to put 200 on stop loss, 200 on take profit?
Yes, on that tick. So you put 200 into ticks, stop loss 200. So 200 ticks equals to 20 pips. That's all I'm trying to say.
Yes, I understand. But you know, on this, I'm seeing ticks on. Anyway, my Champepper is there. Me, I'm very fortunate. I'm with Champepper in the office.
Okay.
All right. You see these two sides.
Sorry.
Let to be breaking it down for us like this. Like
sorry. Let me add to that. I don't know. I just want it to be on our mind in case if it's not trade locker, it is MT5. Just know it. Knowing it is for you. So you know, pips is just simply movement per price. Movement per price is pip. So every one move per price gives you 10 pips. Simple. Leave the grammar. 3390. 3390 to 3391.
So 3390
in between.
Is 10 pips.
10 pips in between. 3390 to 3392. How many pips in between? Everybody type it quickly. Let's see. 3390 to 3391. 10 pips in between. Now the assignment. 3390 to 3392. How many pips in between? Let me see response from 57 persons. You might know it, but still type it. I just want to be sure we're on this. 20 pips. So now let's go. 3390 to 3393. How many pips in between? I need fresh response now. And then we finish with pips.
That's 30
pips. That's all. I think I taught for 20 years though.
Okay.
I've been for 9 years.
That's 30 pips.
All right. So is pips clear to everybody? Put triple A if pips is clear to you.
That's for gold though. That's for gold, right? It's not for other pairs.
That's for gold. And that's why I love gold. So
Ebele said
that's
no.
for gold.
Ebele, you better raise your hand to ask questions. Gloria is raising her hand. Let allow Gloria to talk. Gloria, please ask your question.
Mr. Ebele, Mr. or Mrs. I don't know. Sorry about that.
Mr. Ebele. Ebele is Mrs. Ebele is Mrs. This is not Mr. Ebele. You go change your name for this people.
All right, next question.
Hello?
Please, the pips we calculated now is for a buy. Then if it's for a sell, you do your minus. You know, just do your reversal. Your minus, then just, you know, one price movement per count gives you 10 pips, 10 pips, 10 pips. Go like that. Once it's on your mind, you'll be fast. because this market is not waiting for you. Just pop.
Ezekiel, you don't scatter our brain again with you saying, if it's for a sell, you do minus, so you are going to do it again. We are coming. Hold on with that thought. Hold on with that thought.
We'll do for the sell now. We'll do for the sell now. Everybody get ready. The same 3390.
Hold on. Let Gloria ask question. Gloria, yes.
Okay.
If you are using the scanner, for now it's showing 46 minutes ago. Are you going to wait till when it will show you the present time?
No. That one is gone. Let it go. All right.
I didn't get a question. Did you get her?
Yes, the question is 43 minutes ago. What you want to focus on is the one that is called fresh. And the fresh one, okay, now let me show you an example of a fresh one. I'm going to undo these settings. I'm undoing these settings so that it will show me randomly. All right. I don't know, is it a Bella that asked that questions? All right, so let me just call you Superstar. So Superstar that asked that question, can you see this fresh call on Euro CAD? Did you see this? It says 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes. You're actually looking for fresh call, not old calls. So fresh call, not old calls. Thank you for asking that question. So when it is fresh, yes, and it is 3-star, 3 score, 2-star, 2 score, it must not be lower than 2-star or 2 score. It must not be lower than that. Then it must be a fresh call. Fresh call. And when that is a fresh call, that's like 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes. Those are still fresh.
Your screen is wrong, sir. I apologize. Your screen is wrong. Please switch over. We're only seeing the trading view screen now.
Oh, trading view. Oh, sorry. Thank you. Sorry, I put my trading view on my projector. I encourage you all to do same, so I can be seeing 2 things at the same time. I don't want to miss money. Not leaving money on the table. So see now, look at this. I just changed my settings. This is not the settings I use, but I just want you to see 5 minutes, the fresh call. See the one, say this minute. Can you see that? If you can see AAA on the chat box, all this minute, that's what you're looking for. This minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 7 minutes, those ones are still okay. So when you are seeing 45 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, it's not for you anymore. It's for those that were there that time. So let it go. They've enjoyed the money. Wait for your own. Your own is coming, okay? So I've answered you. And having seen that does not still mean jump into the market. You know what we do on the chart. Come to the chart and make sure you check the Ichimoku. Somebody asks, where is the Ichimoku? Ichimoku is the cloud. This cloud is the Ichimoku. This cloud, you know how cloud looks. So if you can see cloud at the back of the candles, that is the Ichimoku. So make sure Ichimoku is on top of the candle if it is for a sell, and the exponential moving average is on top of the candle, all right, and the other moving average is on top of the candle, then you're good to go. If it's not so, don't sell. And if it is a buy, make sure your Ichimoku is below the candle. This cloud is below the candle, and this moving average, these two, they are also below the candle, and you're good to buy. If it is not so on the chart, then you've not gotten your confirmations on the chart. You must have gotten the call, but you didn't get the confirmation. So it's different. When you get call and you didn't get confirmation, don't enter. So get the call, which is what will be on the right-hand side here, all right, and get the confirmation. And in order for you to simplify it, make sure you set it. Narrow it down to what you want to trade. It's not all the assets you want to trade, all right? 2-star, 3-star commodity, apply, finish. Choose your time frame. All right. It is 5 minutes, five minutes on the chart, 5 minutes on the call pane, the call side. Then 15 minutes on the chart, 15 minutes on the call side. So stick to those and run with it. All right.
Which one is better now? Should we go for 15 or 5 minutes, or any of them is fine?
15 minutes is more stable. 5 minutes, don't exceed 20 pips. 15 minutes is much more stable. 15 minutes is much more stable. So if it's 5 minutes, maybe one positions, at least 15 minutes, you can now think about 2 positions. But in all, if you are taking it yourself, I don't recommend 3 positions. Leave that one to our mentors and our big leaders to call trades for more than 2 positions.
Take profit 1 and take profit 2 is good.
It's okay. And don't joke with your break even. If your break even, if you didn't put it and it went bad, you can't blame anybody. That is the nature of the market. It's not going one side. Either it's going down and up and down and up and down and up. And of course, that's how the world is. Everything is always in twos. What goes up comes down, and then maybe go up, and then maybe come down. That's it.
Prices of things are not going down in Nigeria. Bread is going higher since the day I was born. Anyway, so somebody said he doesn't understand pips in the chat message. That I should please go over it again. Inandi. Okay, even Kelvin said he doesn't know how to calculate pips.
Ebele and Kelvin and Inamdu. All right, listen good. Price counts. Movement per price is pips and it's simple. For gold, it's simple. So know the one of gold. When you want to start trading other assets, then use that knowledge to go and research about other ones. So look at where we are now. We are at 33.78. Man, this 3 points buy is not joking. He must have given us three pips. So hey, Oluwa, we miss money.
So we miss now.
No. It has come to a demand zone here.
That's 59 minutes ago. We're here now. We're not here.
No, what we are saying, it has come to a zone that you might likely reverse. This zone.
And what I was saying that we're not here when the call was made.
We were here, but our focus was the training. At least with the knowledge, we can take the trade and enjoy it.
Please, next time, our focus should be on both checking and
we will not focus if we do both anyway.
Chop the money. Okay.
So we have here the price action. The price at this point is 33.77. So with this 33.77, since we are expecting that, okay, it's a sell that was called, 10 pips is going to be from 33.77 to 33.76. Just one price movement gives you 10 pips. So Ebele and the rest of you, hey, market, hey, okay, Mrs. Ebele and every other person. So if from 33 to 33.76 to 33.75 is 10 pips, all right, what gives you 20 pips on a sell? All right, if the entry point is 33.76, what gives you 20 pips? I want to see your response, and I know I'm done. We are almost done. 4 more minutes. All right. Thank you. You got. Oh, it's Mama. You are the one. Dr. Love responded for you. All right. So, well, since you didn't respond, silence means consent. It means you understood, and that's fine. Okay, so that's okay. So we've come to the end of this Smartcash scanner for today. Then tomorrow, go read it, and then tomorrow come with your question. With your question.
Okay, that's fine.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ezekiel, thank you. Yeah, I'll take it from here. Thank you for that.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so guys, it's a gradual thing. When somebody asks, I was just laughing. I was laughing at myself, actually, not the person that asked question. When the person said, I can't see Ishimoku Cloud, I laughed at myself because when I just joined, if they talk about IMA, Ishimoku Cloud, I'll be saying which one be this IMA where they talk now? Which one be EMA? I mean EMA. I was saying which one be EMA where they talk? Which one is Ishimoku Cloud? So that's how I used to also. That used to be my question as well. So, Ebele, yes, pips is prices. movement of prices is pips, and for gold we use 10 pips. We use if every movement is 10 pips. If it's from other pair, it may be just one may be 1 to 1, but for gold 1 is to 10. So 3380 to 3379. If it's a sell, that means it's 10 pips. But if it's a buy, it will be 3380 to 3381. Do you understand? So that's what it is. So what we are going to do, we don't want to rush you. We are going to go back. I'm sure Chairman Uriel have done this as well. This is also recorded, so we are going to send it to the group. Chairman Uriel has also done this on his YouTube as well. So you're going to go back to go watch all over again. Then tomorrow again, we are going to repeat this class. We just want to make sure that you get it very well. Then we'll now move on to another scanner. We'll go to the breaker momentum by Monday. So we'll do that also for like 2 days. Then we'll go to the Blitz scanner. So at least if we know 3 scanners, you know, you can go and learn the others yourself. Then we can go to Richie Berniger. We can go to Rich Berniger and go and learn Smartcash. So we'll be moving together as a team. Yes, that's Smartcash and market structure. So we go as a team, you know. Ishimoku Cloud, is it Jimoku Cloud? I'm not sure.
Ichimoku.
It's Ichi.
Ichimoku.
The HI is asking that, is it Jimoku? No, it's not Jimoku, it's Ichi. ICHI. So Amaka, you got it right. It's Ichimoku Cloud. Okay, so by Monday, we'll also go and learn another scanner. But tomorrow, we are coming back to this class. Tomorrow is Thursday, right? Today is still Wednesday. Oh, we can still learn it. We are still going to learn it on Thursday. If we still don't get it by Friday, we'll repeat. We are not rushing. Then by Monday, we can go to another scanner. So if we are good by tomorrow, then on Friday, we'll all go. So we all agree as a team. So we are now in the same class now. So you want to wake up your team members, because it's not okay for only you to know this. In our group, we have about 700 persons, but you can see how many people are here. But if assuming Chairman says is going to make call now, you will see all of them. It's not about somebody calling. One day, why don't you become the Chairman for your own people as well? That's the goal. Indeed, that's what we are doing. That's what we are learning. So thank you to every one of you. By tomorrow, we'll continue the class, okay? So bye, everyone. Make sure you learn.
Bye-bye.
Keep learning.
Please
keep learning.
A lot of time
and
on your demo today.
Use your demo. So trading is like swimming. If you're not practicing, if you're not getting your hands dirty, you will not know it. So that's why you have demo account in Windsor or Square Financial or any broker you're using. That's why we have the demo. So for practice, always use those demo accounts. Don't use your live money so you don't lose your money. So practice. Take the trade. Even you can even snap and put it on the WhatsApp group, on our expansion group, see what I'm doing. Ezekiel is there, Shapepe is there, Auntie Umi is there. I'm there to tell you what I know as well. Professional trader, Lord Oladele is there.
Yes, professional trader.
So we are learning together, guys. Okay? Okay, thank you, everyone. Bye for now.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
Mr. Ezekiel. Thank you, Dr. Love. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you, everyone.
Bye-bye.